Sun's energy is free, and it's our job to create technology to harness that energy. Solar Trust is an American company. The concept was to establish a company with very strong US roots to produce solar power plants of grand size and scale. To build billion-dollar plants, you have to produce and move $1 billion of products to some of the most remote places on the planet. And that's really where our business model is unique, where we handle literally the entire supply chain in-house. We have our own project development group, we have our own EPC, engineering, procurement, construction group. We have our own supply chain management organization that is responsible for the manufacturing of parts and components, is responsible for the logistics of moving to the construction site, and ultimately responsible for assembling billion-dollar plants. The parabolic trough is a technology that is proven and bankable. It focuses the sun's energy on a collector tube and eventually generates the energy that we require to turn our turbines. The sheer size is an element that differentiates us from other technologies. These are massive plants that produce sufficient power to power hundreds and thousands of homes. We cluster these plants in single locations, which means that we have the benefits of economies of scale, meaning one supply road, one assembly hall, one access to the transmission grid. So we have tremendous opportunities to drive costs down as we build more facilities in the same location. By building plants on time and on budget, we actually generate 3 byproducts. One byproduct is job creation. Second byproduct is to create energy independence. And the third byproduct is to do some real good for the environment. Because each facility will take up to 2 million tons of CO2 out of the atmosphere, which is the equivalent of 152 million gallons of oil a year. Our approach has been one that's driven by partnership. No one company alone and no one government agency alone can build a facility of this magnitude. The world has finally understood that our raw material resources are finite. We have understood that the planet is fragile. And we've understood that our energy consumption to sustain growth globally will grow tremendously. And the answer for this is solar energy. There are no boundaries or end to what Solar Trust can achieve and where we can go.